Welcome to my apiary. Good morning, everybody. I'll try to look like I didn't just get out of bed, which I kind of did not long ago anyway. This morning, I'm up with the sun, which, October 5th isn't really that early, but early enough, way early for me. Because I need to do something before the honeybees get up. So normally we'll get a little bit of cooler weather here in September and early October, around the time I'm finishing extracting. I can put my wet honey supers in the sea can. But it's been so warm lately that it's been the mid-20s every day, so lots of bee activity. I can't open the sea can to put the honey supers away. So you see the sea can here behind me, a little tractor there. So I'm just here. I'm kind of being kind of picky this year. I'm trying to sort my boxes for different reasons. Here, I'll kind of turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm doing. So here are a few of them. And as I extract, I'll sort them with different letters. I think I have 5 different kinds. 4, and there's, 6 because there's a few mediums, but not many mediums. So 4 main kinds. I've got frames that I would prefer to use in the brood chamber. I've got honey frames. I've got some really nice frames. The best of the best are S for selling. I may sell some of those. I'll advertise them in the spring. And then the F is if there's foundation or foundation showing, then I'm going to re-wax those. I've had really good success with the re-waxed frames. So all these need to be sorted onto pallets, taken in there and stacked. I have to stack them by hand this year because I need to get them all in, and I get more in if I put them on the floor and stack them by hand. So that's the fun and excitement going on today. I've got a few over here, and the sea can is actually almost full of pallets as well. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Not. But, it gets me up and out of the house and gets the blood flowing. Let me show you something we did last night. I was going to take a video, but it was getting dark, and we're trying to hurry. I'll go over here. So you see the remnants of people. It's either a bear attack or people just not cleaning up after themselves. Look, there's a little cluster there yet. I'll have to do something with that. So we took these nukes out, the nukes that I mentioned the other day. Sheldon came up here. Sure nice to meet him, and a heck of a nice guy. He watches my videos and saw that I had some nukes to give away, and he took them. So I'm gonna have to come over here and shake these little clusters into a hive somewhere. At least this one's got something to eat. So anyway, thanks to Sheldon for that. It takes that off my mind, and I hope they do something for him. Didn't cost him anything but the equipment, so he's not got much invested. Drive up and tank of gas or whatever it is, which is a huge investment today. I put 3/4 of a tank of gas in my truck yesterday, and it cost me $100. And that wasn't even the big truck. Anyway, I don't complain about the gas prices. I got to get to work. So we got a whole bunch more here. Honey frames. The peas are plastic frames. I'm going to get rid of those. I don't like them. I don't like them because they don't go through my uncapper. But there's not very many plastic frames. So, like I say, I got to get at this. As soon as the honeybees wake up, boy, I'm done. I'm going to put it away. So we'll get the sea can opened up and get moving. Okay, that's all I'm putting in for now. These are all, well, I've been marking them out for foundation. They're not foundation frames. They could be foundation frames, either not drawn at all or not drawn very well. I'm going to take all those in when the workload is lighter. I'm going to take all those in the shop and we're going to re-wax every frame. I did a bunch of re-waxing this spring, and by cracky, that works nice. You roll some of that wax on there and the bees draw that out immediately. So you can see here, I got some mediums here, I got mediums here, and I got 4 more over here. I'm going to leave those out. They're a little bit wet, the bees are really on them. And so I'll leave those out today and I'll put them away later on. There's only 8 of them, it's not a big deal to hand bomb those in there. Other than that, just got to clean up. I'll show you what's going on in the sea can. Okay, I brought a little bit of freight in here just to store indoors. So this is what we've got. I didn't even count them, I don't know what they are. But I got my plastic frames and my frames for sale. Brood frames and honey frames back here. There's, I don't know, a couple hundred boxes. Every stack has 10 boxes high. But some of them, like there's a thing that they're sitting on there, so only 7 high. Anyway, they're in here. That's good. A little room on the side here. I can stack mediums and other equipment. I'm going to put my escapes in here, queen excluders, etc. So I got to close this up before the honeybees get them. If anybody wants plastic frames, some are, most of them are drawn. There's 4 boxes here that aren't drawn, but there's 10 boxes here. There's 5 boxes here. Well, 4 plus 4. And then I know these aren't plastic, but they're, somebody could use those. I don't really care for them. Yeah, so you want plastic frames, let me know. They just don't go through my encapper. And they're just a little different. I don't like things that are different. I like everything the same. They're just different to handle. So let me know if you want some plastic frames.